Hello everyone, welcome back to Driving TV. It's Cabby here, and today we're diving into something every driver needs to master: blind spots. Did you know that ignoring your blind spot could be one of the biggest mistakes on the road? In this video, I'm going to show you the ultimate beginner's guide to mastering your vehicle's blind spots, so you can drive safer, smarter, and avoid those close calls. Stick around because these tips could literally save you from an accident. First things first, let's talk about what a blind spot actually is. Your vehicle's blind spots are the areas around your car that you cannot see with your mirrors alone. Even with all your mirrors set up correctly, there are parts of the road, especially beside and behind your car, that your mirrors won't be able to cover. These hidden zones can be dangerous because vehicles or objects could be there without you realizing. For example, when you're changing lanes or merging onto the highway, another car could be driving right next to you, but you won't see it unless you physically check the blind spot. So understanding and checking your blind spots is key to avoiding accidents and driving safely. Now, before we dive into how to check your blind spots, we need to make sure that you know how to use your mirrors and that they are adjusted properly. Let's start with the rear view mirror. Your rear view mirror should give you a full view of the road behind you through the rear window. Adjust it so that you don't have to move your head, just your eyes when checking the mirror. Now, for the side mirrors, most people set these up so they can see the side of their car, but that's actually limiting your field of vision. A good tip is to adjust your side mirrors outward. For the driver's side mirror, lean your head to the left until it almost touches the window, and then adjust the mirror so you can just see the edge of your car. For the passenger side, lean towards the center of the car and do the same thing. This setup will reduce your blind spots and give you a better view of the lanes beside you. How to check your blind spots? Even with perfectly adjusted mirrors, you'll still have areas that aren't visible. This is where the physical blind spot check comes in. Whenever you're changing lanes, merging, or pulling out of a parking space, always do a quick shoulder check. Here's how you do it. When you're about to change lanes to the left, you'll want to quickly glance over your shoulder, your left shoulder, to check the area that your mirrors don't cover. You don't need to turn your whole body, just a quick head turn is enough. If you're moving to the right lane, glance over your right shoulder to check the blind spot. This shoulder check ensures that you're fully aware of what's around your vehicle before making any moves. Remember, mirrors only give you part of the picture. Your shoulder check completes it. So when exactly should I be checking the blind spots? Well, there are a few key moments while driving when it's absolutely crucial to do so. 1. Changing lanes. Every time you switch lanes, whether on the highway or in city traffic, always check your blind spot. Your mirrors won't always show vehicles in the adjacent lane, so that quick shoulder check that you do will save you from a potential accident. Merging onto a highway. When merging, traffic is usually moving fast, so it's easy for a car to slip into your blind spot. Always check both your mirrors and your blind spot before merging into another lane. 3 would be turning right. If you're turning right at an intersection, especially in areas with cyclists or pedestrians, check your blind spot to make sure nobody is approaching from your right side. 4 would be exiting a parking space. If you're reversing out of a spot or pulling out, it's vital to check your blind spots because pedestrians or other vehicles may be coming from either side. These days, many vehicles come equipped with technology designed to help you manage your blind spots. So some cars have blind spot monitoring systems that actually alert you if there's a car in your blind spot, which could be very, very, very helpful. You'll usually see a small light on your side mirror or hear a beep when a vehicle is detected in the area that you cannot see. While this technology is super helpful, it's important not to rely on it 100%. It's a great backup, but you should always still do a visual blind spot check. After all, technology can sometimes miss things, or you might not notice the alert. If your car has a rear view camera, those are helpful when backing out of tight spaces. But remember that they only cover a limited area. Always do a full check of your surroundings yourself. Now, common mistakes that you should avoid. Drivers make these mistakes when it comes to blind spots, right? Like not checking blind spots often enough. Some drivers rely solely on their mirrors and forget to check their blind spots, especially when they're in a rush. This can lead to dangerous situations, like I mentioned. So always make checking your blind spots a habit. 2, relying on blind spots monitors. Like I mentioned earlier, these systems are amazing. They're great, huge help, but they're not foolproof. So never skip a shoulder check. If your car has these fancy features, don't forget to still have the habit of checking your blind spots yourself, just to confirm. You never know. 3 would be not adjusting your mirrors correctly. If your mirrors are set too far inward, your blind spots will be bigger and you'll have to check more often. Make sure your mirrors are set up to give you the widest view possible. Now, being too slow with shoulder checks is another one. So you want to be quick and smooth with your shoulder checks. If you're turning your head and you take way longer, you might lose focus on the road ahead. So keep it brief, really quick, and you won't have a problem here. So let's have a little quick recap, right, of everything that I have covered so far, so you guys will not forget. So 1 would be adjusting your mirrors properly to minimize blind spots. 2, always do a quick shoulder check before changing lanes, merging, or turning. 3, know when to check your blind spots, especially during lane changes, merges, and turns. 4, don't rely entirely on blind spots monitoring systems. Use them as backup, but always do visual checks. And 5, avoid common mistakes like skipping blind spots checks or not adjusting your mirrors correctly. By following these steps, guys, these tips, I'm going to assure you that you'll drive much more confidently and safe, and you won't have a problem. Blind spots don't have to be intimidating if you know how to handle them properly. Now, with all of that being said, I really hope this video was somewhat helpful for you. Don't forget that if you did find it helpful, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe button to Driving TV for more beginner-friendly driving tips and tutorials and practice tests that are going to be coming real soon. So let me know in the comments if you have any other driving questions that you want me to cover. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.